Welcome to the recorded demo video of the Jharkhand Integrated Public Grievance Redressal System for Workflow Member. In this video, you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the login option available on the system interface. To log in as an admin, select the admin option from the drop-down menu under the login button. Upon selecting the admin login, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After successfully login, the user will be redirected to the Jharkhand Grievance dashboard at Workflow Member home page. The Jharkhand Grievance dashboard provides an overview of grievance summaries and options for related actions on the home page, including grievances received, grievances resolved, grievances pending, grievances rejected. Select the Search Grievance option on the dashboard to retrieve the desired grievance list or a specific grievance. Upon selecting the grievance option, a list of recent complaints will be displayed along with a filter option to refine the search based on specific criteria. Here, the user can filter the desired grievance or grievance list by filling in the relevant criteria. Select your desired grievance and click on the View option to see its complete details. The complete grievance details will be displayed along with its current status. Select the Grievance Workflow option under Workflow section on the dashboard to perform actions related to grievances. A list of registered grievances and reopened grievances will be displayed in the Workflow Member inbox, along with a filter option to retrieve the desired grievance efficiently. To view grievances based on their status, select the related option. Grievances Outbox for forwarded or resolved grievances. Special grievances for escalated or important complaint. Select your desired grievance from the inbox and click on the View option. Upon selecting the View option, the complete grievance workflow details will be displayed, showing its status along with options for related actions. The user can view the grievance flow history and reminder status by selecting the corresponding option. If required, the user can update the grievance details by selecting the Update Details option. You can directly add your comment in the provided comment box or take the following actions as required. Click on the Resolve option and enter the related comment if the grievance can be resolved by the current members. Click on the Reject option and enter the related comment if the grievance cannot be resolved within the existing members. Click on the Transfer to Current Member option to transfer a grievance to another workflow member. A list of available workflow members will be displayed. By selecting the appropriate workflow member from the list and clicking the Transfer button, the user can successfully transfer the grievance. Click on the Transfer to Workflow option to move the grievance to another workflow. Upon selecting this option, a list of available workflows will be displayed. Select the desired workflow, enter the relevant comments, and click the Transfer button. After selecting the Transfer button, a confirmation message will be displayed indicating that the complaint has been successfully transferred. If the user wishes to change the account password, they can select the corresponding option and proceed with the required inputs. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.